Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Facebook app. Go to your Facebook profile. Scroll down and tap Music in the Post section. Tap the plus icon at the top right. You'll see a list of user-tailored songs from Facebook partners. Select a song or query via the search bar to add it to your Facebook profile. You can add as many as you like. Tap the three-dot icon next to a song. Select Pin to Profile. Now press the back arrow at the top left to go to your profile. You'll see the pinned song right below your name. Anyone that visits your Facebook profile can tap to play the song via Facebook. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.